The pavilion is the focal point of this whole project. The family's desire to be able to come out and take their time and cook a meal and share stories, enjoy family and friends in almost any kind of weather drove the decisions on the pavilion. Here, we had to detach the pavilion from the house itself by building code. If it was attached to the building, it would have been counted as footprint of the house, and there was not enough space to do that permitting-wise. So the village ordinances trumped that, caused us to detach the structure. We kept the roof lines nice and high so that our sight lines out of the house are not blocked. And then we repeated our building materials as we always do, almost always do. So our limestone from the front facade of the building, bluestone copings, bluestone paving, and we end up with a honed bluestone counter. Appliances are always important. Garbage can recycling. We've got a dry spot for wood storage, which is really a nice feature. The lattice trellis gives us a nice buffer from the neighbor because we're actually up a little higher than the neighbor, so we're kind of looking down on them. This is the Gaucho grill, and this is a really fun Argentinian or Brazilian grill. This tray can be raised and lowered with this very cool metal wheel, and that'll allow us to increase or decrease the amount of cooking distance from all the heat. We light charcoal or hardwood here. As the ash drops down, we can slide the ash underneath the grill and then do our cooking that way. So very traditional. And we put it into a flue so that we have all of our smoke escaping up and away and not blowing into our guests who are hanging out here. Got to have the official tools. I've got to have a pan so I can scoop up and move all the charcoal around as it gets burnt down. We've got a sink with hot and cold running, which is really nice for food prep. They cook a lot and they cook pretty sophisticated meals. And then a really nice Lynx conventional gas grill that can work really well too. So that sets up nicely. The Gaucho grill also can be set up with a rotisserie, so it can cook a bigger cut of meat and have it be a very appealing way to spend some time. So we're gonna throw some steaks on the grill after a while and a couple of treats and have a little fun with that. Got to use the kitchen while we're here, right? So this is a great family entertaining space. They use it continually, and they're super excited about the end result.